as Republicans.
We will get to it before this Congress ends.
We have our options. We have arrows in our quiver that I'm not about to discuss.
And Democrats battle over picking the next Supreme Court justice.
I have no doubt that everybody's being hypocritical here.
Constitutional law professor Ronald Allen points out if the shoe was on the other foot, so to speak, the party in power would move forward with replacing the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg without hesitation.
Both sides recognize the value of that 5-4 vote, and both sides want to control that process of imposing social, political, moral views on the rest of the country in that fashion.
So it comes as no surprise to him that the names being floated all have conservative judicial philosophies, but he rejects the notion the nominee would be persuaded to side with whomever nominates him or her, in this case, President Trump.
Presidents look for judges who will represent their thinking about constitutional law. I think that's true, but I do not think it's true that there's any loyalty or any political shenanigans or anything of the sort that explains how judges view their cases.
Allen says Republicans no doubt see this as a chance to solidify a conservative majority, but he worries what would happen if the vote is put off until after the election and Republicans lose both the Senate and the presidency, but vote to confirm a conservative justice.
It could increase the probability of a courts packing scheme.
A court packing scheme, meaning expanding the court to up to 15 justices.
I think would be disastrous for the country.
Now, President Trump says he will announce his pick either Friday or Saturday. That will leave less than 40 days for the Senate to hold confirmation vote before the election. The last nominee to win confirmation that quickly was Sandra Day O'Connor in 1981.